Vanakkam. Hi everybody, welcome back. Apa khabar semua? Today I'm going to share with you how to do the traditional Indian sambar curry with tausu murungakkeerai. It's a lentil curry with sweet leaves. In Malay they call it the sayur manis dengan kari dal. If you are a vegetarian or otherwise, this is a dish for you. Do try and enjoy. Leave me a comment below. Don't forget, subscribe, like and share. Thank you. Enjoy cooking. The ingredients to make the yellow lentil curry, or better known as sambar, are 150 grams of Malawi lentils, 50 grams of sweet leaves or sayur manis, 2 small tomatoes, some curry leaves, 1 red chili, 4 cloves of garlic, half an inch of ginger, 3 dried chilies, half a big onion cut small, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, salt to taste, a teaspoon of mixed spices, water, coconut milk, this is optional, and oil to cook. Let's start cooking. To start off, we should first pre-soak these lentils for at least 10 minutes. And leave it aside. I've already prepared the required amount of sweet leaves, but still I'm going to show you how we pluck it from its stem. This is what we need. We don't use the stem, but do you know you can still plant them and they will regrow back. Okay? When the lentils are well soaked, we wash them well and we add it to a bigger container. There we'll add more water, salt, garlic, red chili, and some oil. Cook it over medium heat. Add enough water. That's one thing I have to share. Do not cover the pot that we are cooking. It would overflow. So we just leave it open. It is believed that adding oil to the mixture will prevent the water from overflowing when boiling to a certain extent. We will need at least half an hour to cook the lentils, but midway through the cooking, we can add in the turmeric powder. When the lentils are already fully cooked, remove it from the stove, and now it's time to prepare the rest of the ingredients. Onto the wok, add roughly about 5 to 6 tablespoons of oil. When the oil is hot, add in the mixed spice, followed by the ginger, the dried chili, the onion, and also the curry leaves. Fry till fragrant before adding in the tomato and also the sweet leaves. Cook for about 1 minute or less before adding in the lentil curry. Bring it to a boil before adding in the coconut milk. Here I would like to say that coconut milk is optional, and by the way, if you prefer your curry to be a bit watery, you can add in warm water only. Taste your lentil curry first before adding in enough salt. This is one way to cook the lentil curry. In my future sharings, I will show you other ways too. Our Tausa Muringakira Sambar is ready. Enjoy cooking.